YouTube, what is up? Back again with an LED halogen swap out here. And today I'm going to be swapping out my stock halogen LED reverse lights for some Auxito LED reverse lights. And you know, some of you guys might not think it really matters, or you might have never done this before or never thought of it. And I'm going to show you just how much of a difference LED reverse lights can bring to you compared to these halogen bulbs. So let's jump right into the video. It's a super easy install, guys. Plug and play, no relays, no nothing required. Let's jump right in. So guys, here we go. We're going to showcase the 7443, 7440 Auxito LED bulbs here, white. Obviously, we're going with reverse. And here is the LED bulb. I mean, look at the inside of that. It's just a pure blast of LEDs, as well as all the way around. I can't even tell you the exact count on this thing. Awesome. And going to your stock standard halogen junk, you know, not a fan of them. Not a fan at all. But I'm going to showcase, guys, what these can do in the difference compared to one another. It's just truly amazing. And also, always remember all these LED light videos I have, Auxito, great product. Use that Moderate Mods discount code right there. Get you some percentage off and get you these lights today. It's a must do, guys. So let me jump right in, showcasing you just how of a difference this is, and then we'll jump into the easy install. So here we are, guys, and just look. Right there, you got the side wall, and you can see the halogen bulb displaying that type of brightness. Then going over, look at how much that light carries. I mean, the ground, insane difference. It's truly worth it, guys. And how simple it is, you can't beat it. The nice ice white looks great to the eye. It's a little hard to tell with, you know, my camera and everything, but that ice white just looks so good. It really brings out the tail light. So let me go ahead and show you exactly how to swap out that stock bulb there. The install process is the exact same on both sides, so I'm just going to show you one. Okay, guys, so now that you're got your tailgate opened up, you're going to go to your tail light that you're working on, and on the inside here, there's going to be two T20 screws, 1 and 2. You're going to unscrew those. Your bulb is going to come loose while you're unscrewing it. Make sure that you have a hand on the headlight assembly or tail light assembly if you can, so it doesn't fall out. It shouldn't, because there's a push pin in here that you'll pull out on, but just, you know, keep it snug, keep it in your hand. Once you get it out, I'll show you exactly what you got to do next. Okay, guys, so I have my 2 screws taken out. Now my light is very loose. You can pull around, and then just like that, it comes right out. Once you have it out, guys, I got it propped up here underneath my string to hold it up tight so it doesn't go flying away. You can just turn your bulb, your bottom bulb all the way down here with the purple and black wire is your reverse light. Mine is very tight. A quarter turn it counterclockwise and it comes right out. And here it is. You want to be very careful. I have my lights running. It is cool now, but be careful touching these. You know, they could be hot, especially if you just reversed into your driveway and you're ready to go. But you just wiggle, and it'll pull, and try not to drop it, and it'll pull right out. I don't know if I can do this with 2 hands, or with 1 hand, but just pull it right out, and then we're going to insert the new one. All right, guys, the new one is inserted. And again, it pops right in place. It's pretty hard not to mess this up because there's a little notch right there on that side and not on that side. So you'll know that you got it plugged in the right way, which is pretty great because you don't have to worry about reverse polarity. But go ahead and put it in. Then line right back up. Quarter turn clockwise. There you go. It'll kind of pop in place there. And you're all set. You are installed. Let's go ahead and put the steps in reverse. Push your light housing back in place. You know, your 2 little side pins here are going to slide right onto these. And then you're going to put your 2 T20 Torxes in and snug it back up and go for a test. All right, guys. So now that I'm in the vehicle here, I turn my truck onto my running position. I put my parking brake on with my foot, or if you have the electronic one, put your vehicle in reverse, and you can turn off your park sense if you're in a tight area. And then you can just turn your camera on and see. And you know, if you don't know if you can test it that way, I mean, I'm just trying to show you how bright this is on my camera, but you can also like check your mirrors or whatever, or we can do the proper way and go ahead and take a nice lap around just to see how these things are looking. And there you have it. Look at that, guys. I love this look so much. I love LEDs. They're amazing, amazing pieces of equipment. And the lighting is ridiculous. It's almost like I got little fog lights back here when I'm going backwards. So this is great, great, great stuff, guys. These are the 7440s or 7443 Auxito LED light bulbs. Check them out. Use that Moderate Mods discount code if you are interested in getting a pair. And again, no relays, resistors, or anything like that needed. No warning lights on my dash, nothing. This is a great product, a must buy, guys. And I really, really hope you enjoyed the video. There you have it, guys. There they are, lights on, you know, LED skylights on, and I'm still seeing those things great. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, use that Moderate Mods discount code. Get yourself a discount. Get these lights. They're amazing, amazing lights. It's a must do for your safety, and just do it. It's so easy. Why not? Cleans up the look of the truck, really, really makes it look fresh, and it's just a must-need mod. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Please don't forget, links are always down below. Feel free to check out any of my other videos. More videos coming for the Ram. Tons of videos for other vehicles. Tons of LED lighting videos. If you need to ever reach out to me, please feel free to comment down below. Message me on IG. Email me. Anything you need to do, I'll get a hold of you, and we'll figure it out. And until the next one, guys, peace.